Ever wondered how AI is weaving its way into our everyday lives, reshaping routines and interactions in ways we might not even notice? Stick around as we delve into the intriguing world of AI in 2024. From healthcare to education, transportation to cybersecurity, AI's influence is everywhere, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. But how exactly is AI changing the game? Let's explore. Section 1. AI in healthcare. In the realm of healthcare, AI emerges as a formidable ally, revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment methodologies. Gone are the days of waiting anxiously for medical test results. AI-enabled diagnostic tools analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with unparalleled accuracy, facilitating swift and precise diagnoses. These advancements translate into timely interventions and improved treatment outcomes for patients. Moreover, the operating room undergoes a paradigm shift with the integration of AI. Robotic-assisted surgery, powered by sophisticated AI algorithms, enhances surgical precision and minimizes the margin for error during complex procedures. Surgeons collaborate seamlessly with AI-powered robotic assistants, ushering in an era of less invasive surgeries and accelerated patient recovery. But AI's impact transcends individual patient care. It extends to personalized medicine. By harnessing vast troves of patient data, AI crafts tailored treatment plans, considering genetic predispositions, lifestyle factors, and medical histories. This personalized approach not only optimizes treatment efficacy, but also mitigates risks of adverse reactions, marking a significant leap forward in healthcare delivery. AI in healthcare is not just a technological advancement, it's a beacon of hope for better health outcomes and improved quality of life. Section 2. AI in transportation. The transportation sector undergoes a profound transformation with the integration of AI paving the way for safer, more efficient, and sustainable mobility solutions. Autonomous vehicles, once a futuristic concept, are now a tangible reality thanks to AI's ability to perceive surroundings, make informed decisions, and navigate complex roadways. These self-driving cars hold the promise of reducing accidents, alleviating traffic congestion, and minimizing harmful emissions, revolutionizing the way we move from point A to point B. Moreover, AI's influence extends beyond individual vehicles to traffic management systems. By harnessing real-time data from diverse sources such as sensors and cameras, AI algorithms analyze traffic patterns, optimize routes, and mitigate congestion. This holistic approach not only promises shorter commute times, but also enhances fuel efficiency, fostering a more seamless transportation experience for commuters. With AI at the helm, transportation is no longer just about getting from one place to another. It's about reimagining the entire mobility ecosystem for a smarter, safer, and more sustainable future. Section 3. Multimodal chatbots. Enter the world of multimodal chatbots, where AI transcends traditional text-based interactions to engage with users across a spectrum of media formats. These advanced chatbots, empowered by sophisticated AI algorithms, seamlessly integrate text, images, sounds, and videos, revolutionizing the way we communicate and interact with technology. What sets multimodal chatbots apart is their ability to not only generate diverse types of media, but also understand and respond across modalities. Imagine chatting with a bot that can receive an image input and respond with text, or vice versa. This level of versatility and adaptability opens up new avenues for human-machine interaction, blurring the lines between virtual and physical realities. As technology continues to evolve, so too will multimodal chatbots, becoming smarter, more intuitive, and better equipped to meet the diverse needs of users. From aiding content creators in generating rich multimedia content to serving as virtual companions for everyday tasks, the potential applications of multimodal chatbots are boundless, shaping the future of human-computer interaction in unprecedented ways. Section 4. AI in the manufacturing industry. In the manufacturing industry, AI emerges as a catalyst for innovation, revolutionizing production processes and driving efficiency to unprecedented heights. One of AI's key contributions is in predictive maintenance, where machine learning algorithms analyze data from sensors and historical records to forecast equipment failures. By anticipating maintenance needs, manufacturers can minimize downtime, reduce costs, and ensure uninterrupted operations. Furthermore, AI-powered robots are redefining the concept of automation, collaborating seamlessly with human workers to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Robots like Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics, showcase advanced capabilities in manipulation, balance, and agility, making them indispensable assets on the factory floor. Quality control also receives a significant boost from AI, as machine learning algorithms analyze products in real time to detect defects or deviations from specifications. This proactive approach not only minimizes waste, but also ensures that only products of the highest quality reach the market. In essence, AI in manufacturing is not just about automation, it's about ushering in a new era of intelligent, data-driven production that maximizes efficiency, quality, and competitiveness in a rapidly evolving global marketplace. Section 5. AI in cybersecurity. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, AI emerges as a stalwart defender against evolving cyber threats, fortifying organizations' defenses and protecting sensitive data from malicious actors. Leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI continuously monitors network activities, swiftly detecting anomalies and potential breaches before they escalate into full-blown cyber attacks. One of AI's primary roles in cybersecurity is threat detection, where it analyzes vast volumes of data to identify patterns indicative of malicious behavior. Whether it's detecting malware, phishing attempts, or insider threats, AI-powered systems act as vigilant guardians, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of digital assets. Moreover, AI bolsters data protection efforts through advanced encryption and anonymization techniques, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access or exfiltration. This proactive approach not only mitigates the risk of data breaches, but also instills confidence in users and stakeholders, fostering trust in digital transactions and communications. In the event of a cyber incident, AI plays a crucial role in incident response, guiding organizations through the process of containment, mitigation, and recovery. By automating key tasks and orchestrating responses in real time, AI minimizes the impact of cyber attacks and accelerates the restoration of normal operations. Overall, AI in cybersecurity represents a formidable defense against the ever-evolving threat landscape, empowering organizations to navigate the digital frontier with confidence and resilience. Section 6. AI in education. In the realm of education, AI is revolutionizing the way students learn and teachers teach, ushering in a new era of personalized learning experiences. Traditional one-size-fits-all approaches are giving way to tailored educational journeys, where AI adapts to individual learning styles, preferences, and pace. Virtual classrooms redefine the boundaries of traditional education, enabling students to engage in interactive lessons from anywhere in the world. AI-powered tools facilitate seamless communication between students and educators, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing beyond physical boundaries. For teachers, AI streamlines administrative tasks like grading and lesson planning, freeing up valuable time to focus on delivering impactful instruction. AI assessment tools provide insights into student performance, enabling educators to identify areas for improvement and tailor instruction accordingly. As AI continues to evolve, the educational landscape will evolve with it, empowering learners of all ages to achieve their full potential in an increasingly digital world. The landscape of daily life in 2024 is undeniably shaped by the pervasive influence of AI. From revolutionizing healthcare to enhancing transportation, education, manufacturing, and cybersecurity, AI is driving transformative changes that touch every aspect of our lives. As we navigate this ever-evolving digital frontier, let's embrace the possibilities that AI offers while remaining mindful of its ethical implications. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. See you in the next video.